Namaskaram. Today we are going to know about an interesting topic which is called as Papa Samyam. This is very interesting calculation when it comes to marriage matching in South Indian astrology method. So marriage matching has 10 to 12 important calculations by which we will determine whether a boy and a girl can be married and whether they will be able to live a very happy life. However, in addition to this 10 and 12 calculations, we do have supporting calculations like Papa Samyam. This Papa Samyam is a calculation where we determine the Molfeous planet's placement in one's horoscope. Let's say in boy's horoscope, the Molfeous placement of the wrong planets are creating more negative energy. Then we will also calculate the same thing in the girl's horoscope, and let's say even the Molfeous effect or Molfeous planets effects is more in that as well. Then we will determine, even though the 10 and 12 calculations which we basically perform for marriage, even though that matches, but if this one is not matching, we do advise, depending on the scores, we do advise, and depending on the individual horoscope, we do advise the boys and girls parents that do think about this kind of engagement or this kind of marriage proposal, because they might end up in a sorrowful life. Why? Because Molfeous planets will always produce negative effect with high energy. Imagine another horoscope is joining your life which equally has a high Molfeous effect, and there are negative energies produced by the Molfeous planet. Then it is going to add to the already existing sorrows. So we do tell the parents to avoid such kind of horoscope matching. For example, in this Papa Samyam, we have three kind of calculation. We do take 5 Molfeous planets, which are Mars, Sunny, that is Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and the planet Sun. These 5 planets are known to be Molfeous, and we do take the calculation. The first calculation is that we will check where these planets are located from the Lagna, and the second calculation involves we see where these planets are calculated from the placement of moon in the horoscope, and the third calculation is from Venus, where these Molfeous planets are sitting in one's horoscope. Let's say from Lagna, if Mars is sitting in 12th house, then it will produce negative effect. So in that case, we will give one score, that is 0.1 to one's horoscope who have this position. Let's say it is the boy's horoscope. Same way, let's take an example of Sun. If Sun is sitting in let's say if Sun is sitting in 5th position from Venus, that is also calculated to be a wrong position, which will produce negative effect. So likewise, we have different kinds of permutation combination for all these 5 planets from Lagna, from Moon, and from Venus. So if these calculation, the score whatever we derive for the boy's horoscope, it should be always higher than what we derived for the girl's horoscope, or in some cases, depending on their individual natal chart, we do consider the score that are equal, that boy's horoscope and girl's horoscope are equal. Then depending on the other matching calculations, we do recommend to the parents whether we can go ahead or not. However, if girl's score is more than boy's score, then we say no to this particular Papa Samyam calculation. Why? Because we don't want that negative energy to get added more, and the couple may end up in getting more sorrowful life, or big financial losses, or big time happiness loss, or peace of mind loss, or may also end up getting children wise problem like fertility problem, or even children getting bad name to the parents, all these stuff. So it's always good we see these kind of calculation before we see the matching for one particular boy or a girl. And friends, as I always say, this is a generic topic which I thought I would discuss with you. But just with this score, let's say if the score is matching, then it is not advisable just to go with the score and get married. There are so many other calculations that we do see along with this calculation before we determine whether a male horoscope and a female horoscope can be matched or can be proceeded further for marriage life. This is just one of the the major combination what we see during the marriage matching. So hope you all enjoyed this video. I think this is informative for you as well. In case if you like it, please give that thumbs up button and leave your comments and share and subscribe as well. And I will definitely meet you with an interesting video very soon. Till then, it is Minnie saying bye bye.